Now, a few weeks back, I was talking to one of our advisors about this one concept around CTOs are sold insights, but they're really just given charts and graphs. And I think that's a complete misstep for developer productivity. Now at OpenSauced, we are invigorated by providing actionable insights. That's why every single dashboard, you get 30 days worth of data and you get insights on top of that. Now, when I was having chats recently with the Vite team, Vite is a wonderful project that really took off in 2021 and has tons of contributions created by Evan You. And if you look at all contributions from Evan You in the last 6 months, there are not as many there. And it's mainly because when I look at the data on GitHub, it presents as if Evan is the maintainer and still core contributor. But there's so many other people who've really done a lot of work in the last 30 days. I can get actionable insights on who's been contributing and who's made it to most of the releases. Now that's extremely insightful for any person who's contributing to Vite, but also insightful for your projects to find out what to report on for your CTOs, for your VPs. So I encourage you to take a spin, pick your repos, and get insights on your projects today.